Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Roblox Error Code 272 using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to close all of the Roblox application that you have or on your browser. Just go ahead and exit in all of that. And then after that, just go ahead and search for Roblox. Wait a minute. So Roblox player on your device. So I'm sorry. So player. Then as you can see, I have this. So just go ahead and click on uninstall. And then this tab will pop up. So just go ahead and click R so that you can see all of the um letters that starts with R or words. I'm sorry. So if you see any Roblox player, just go ahead and right click on that and click on uninstall. So now as you can see, it is now uninstalled. So what I need you to do is to just go ahead and exit on this tab. I'm just going to refresh my device quickly. So now just go ahead and open your Roblox application if you have, or if you are using your browser, just go ahead and search for roblox.com. Then after that, just go ahead and click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on settings. Now you want to click on privacy. I'm sorry, let me just go ahead and here. I'm sorry, security. And then here you just want to just go ahead and click log out of all other sessions. So you need to make sure that you do this step, okay? Because this is an important step in this tutorial. So now once you click on log out, but I won't do it right here because I'm just gonna show you on how to fix this, okay? So after you've clicked on log out of all other sessions, just go ahead and click on home. And then now just go ahead and start playing a game. So once you've clicked on the game, any game that you want, click on the play button and then just wait for it because it needs to download the Roblox player because you uninstalled it earlier. And then you just need to wait and that should fix your problem, okay? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.